Hello mga kalabada! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Rogelio Tapang here with Laundrypreneur, and today I'm going to discuss with you yung bang uupahan mong pwesto para sa iyong laundry shop. Ayos naman ba ang upa? Okay? So the question is, kaya mo bang mabawi sa yung sales, yung rent na babayaran mo kay landlord? Kasi of course, kung sobra-sobra ang renta, ay baka yumaman lang si landlord, tayo malugi. Hindi ba? Well, there's a very simple way on how you can compute kung okay lang ang upa sa pwestong uupahan mo. And the way to do that is to use the common business rule of thumb, which says na ang upa sa isang negosyo should not be more than 15% of your total gross sales. So if we're going to follow that formula, ibig lang sabihin, kunin mo yung rent amount, divide mo by 15%, which is the maximum, no? At yung magiging sagot, yun ang magiging target total sales mo per month. So if we're going to do that, kukumpitin natin, let's say meron kang upa na 20,000 and you divide it by 15%. Ang magiging sagot, 133,333. That is your target gross sales per month sa pwesto na yan. And so you have to ask yourself, kaya ba ng pwesto na to na ma-generate yung 133,333? So to get an idea, divide natin sa 30 days yung sagot, and that will give you 4,444 pesos every day. So kung kaya mo ba na makabenta ng 4,400 pesos worth of laundry services every day sa lugar na yan. If you say, more than, kaya ko pa ng 5,000, 6,000, well, congratulations. That place is a good place to rent. Alright? So I hope this tip helps you kung kayo naghahanap ng lugar na upahan, o kaya kung kayo po ngayon ay meron ng pwesto, tanongin nyo sarili nyo kung nahihit nyo ba na less than 15% ang share ng rent sa inyong total gross sales. If that is happening, congratulations, you're doing good. By the way, lahat po ng ito plus iba pa mga tips tungkol sa pag-setup ng inyong laundry business pinag-uusapan sa May Pera sa Labada. And I do this every Monday, ngayong March, every Monday from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. If you want to come and join me, please register on the link you see here at magkita-kita po tayo sa May Pera sa Labada. Set up your laundry shop the right way. Alright? So magkita-kita po tayo doon, and we'll answer more of your questions on how you can set up your laundry shop the right way. See ya!